आप भी मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ने का कोई ऐसा तरीका ढूंढ रहे हो? तो चलो बताती हूँ। नमस्ते एंड हेलो एवरीवन। आई एम महिमा अलेकर, योर होस्ट एंड योर मेंटर, who is on a mission to simplify mathematics and help you overcome the fear of mathematics. Let's begin with our first mission, decoding the fear of trigonometry. The entire video is divided into two sections. In the first section, we'll find the motive to study trigonometry, and in the second section, we'll dive deeper into the history of trigonometry. So, let's begin. लाइफ में जब तक किसी भी चीज़ को करने का मोटिव ना हो, मज़ा नहीं आता। लेकिन अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ फ्रॉम द न्यूली कंस्ट्रक्टेड मुंबई ट्रांस हार्बर लिंक टू द ओल्ड स्कैरी पिरामिड्स, फ्रॉम बेंडिंग ऑफ रोड्स टू योर ओन वाटर पार्क स्लाइड्स, एवरीथिंग यूजेस ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। मतलब हम जहाँ रह रहे हैं, हमारे आसपास ट्रिगो भी रह रहा है, तो हमें हमारी दुश्मन की ताकत का पता होना चाहिए। तो अब तो इसे पढ़ना बनता है बॉस। पर क्या कभी आपने सोचा है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री इस वर्ल्ड में आया कैसे? बचपन से हम हमारी नानियाँ और दादियों से कहानियाँ सुनते आए हैं, तो चलो आज एक कहानी सुनते हैं, द टेल ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। वंस अपॉन अ टाइम देयर लिव्ड a Greek astronomer, Hipparchus. He was fascinated about stars and universe. He wanted to measure the distance between Earth and some other planet. So, to understand this better, he considered Earth as one vertex, some other planet as some other vertex, and nearby object or pole as the third vertex. He then connected the three using imaginary lines. That's where he got a triangle. He wanted to measure the sides and angles of the triangle and obtain the relation between them. That's where he invented the trigonometric table. Hipparchus is known as the father of trigonometry. Many mathematicians have made their own contributions towards trigonometry. Few of the renowned mathematicians and their contribution has been listed on the screen. Hipparchus of Nicaea contributed the trigonometric table. Aryabhatta contributed the concepts of sine, cosine and inverse sine functions. Brahmagupta contributed the trigonometric ratios. Al-Battani contributed the values of the sine function at 30-degree interval. Thus, from predicting the planetary positions to connecting your own friend through GPS, we have come a long way using trigonometry. Sounds interesting, right? We'll be learning it in detail in the upcoming videos. Now, you know a lot about the discovery of trigonometry. And remember, we are on a mission. So if you found this video valuable, hit the like button odd number of times and motivate us in the comment section below. To dive into the trigonometric formulas with some easy peasy tips and tricks, do not forget to watch the upcoming videos.